Now let's talk about how to get back the App Store on your iPhone, because you may be sure that you deleted it from your iPhone, but let me tell you and let me be clear that this is not possible. You cannot delete the App Store. There are of course multiple reasons or multiple ways how you can actually remove it. For example, you can remove it here, but you cannot actually delete it. It's always there. You can only remove it from the home screen, so it may disappear this way or in different ways. So I'm gonna just talk about that. The first most common way is this. I removed it from my home screen and it's not available here. I cannot find it among my apps. However, if I scroll all the way to the right, here's my app library. And you can see here is a list of all the apps that I have on my iPhone, and here is the App Store. So no matter what you do or how you manage your home screen, you can always find the App Store in the app library. So you can just grab it anytime and place it wherever you need. So hit done, and now the App Store is fully working and back on the home screen. However, there are other ways how this could theoretically happen. For example, you may have it disabled completely. For example, if you go to your settings, then screen time, then you have the content and privacy restrictions, and if you turn this on, you can disable some of the apps. So here in the content and privacy restrictions, you have the iTunes and App Store purchases, and if you have it like this, for example, installing apps is allowed, and if you click on don't allow, and if you come back, now the App Store simply disappeared. And the funny thing is that it's not even here on the list. You don't have the App Store at all. And the reason for it is because I disabled downloading apps altogether, and the only way how you can download apps on iPhone is of course using the App Store. So here you can see installing apps is not allowed. When I allow it again, you can see that App Store jumps back again. At least it's gonna, yeah, here is the App Store. Now I can actually start downloading apps again. So this is another option, another way how this can be removed. The next thing could be that, for example, you have your app limits set up and you have an app limit for the App Store. That means that you can, for example, go ahead and go here, click on add, and you can search for App Store and set up the limit for the day. So it may happen that you run out of the time using the app limits and it won't allow you to open up the App Store. Or another way could be that you are in your downtime. That means a downtime is like a period of time when you don't want to be using your iPhone for pretty much anything except for like making phone calls or whatever you decide. So if you have the downtime enabled, then for example, if you come back to the home screen, pretty much nothing works. You can only use like messages, Safari, clock, health, whatever. And yeah, you can set up different apps that work, so always allowed. And if you don't have the App Store in here, then you won't be able to use it in the downtime. So there are pretty much many ways how you can make the App Store disappear from your home screen and how to make it appear once again. But if nothing helped, and if there is something else going on with your device, one thing I'd recommend you is to connect your iPhone to a charger, like to a computer, and back it up completely. And then what I want you to do to like erase your iPhone altogether. So you're gonna go to General, scroll down, and reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. Make sure to do that after you backed up all of your data to a computer or iCloud. Then erase content, reset your iPhone completely, and then restore your iPhone from the backup. And hopefully by that time the App Store is going to come back and you will not have the same problem again. Now, if you want to know how to use Face ID for downloading apps for the App Store as a security measure, make sure to check out this video right here, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in that video.